Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to SSH into a Raspberry Pi, an essential step that allows you to control and manage your Pi remotely without needing a monitor, keyboard, or mouse. On the Raspberry Pi desktop, click the Raspberry icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then, go to Preferences and select Raspberry Pi Configuration to open the System Settings window. In the Raspberry Pi configuration window, switch to the Interfaces tab. Here, enable the SSH option to allow remote access to your Raspberry Pi over the network. Once you've done that, click OK to save the configuration. Now, let's check the Raspberry Pi's IP address so we can connect via SSH from your computer. In the terminal window, you'll see your username. This is the account you'll use to connect via SSH to your Raspberry Pi from another computer. Next, run the ifconfig command to find out the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. This is the address we'll use to connect via SSH from another computer. Alright, now let's switch to your computer, where we'll connect to the Raspberry Pi via SSH. On Windows, please download and install an SSH client so we can connect to the Raspberry Pi. I've included the download link below in the video description. Next, enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi that we checked earlier. Then, click the Open button to start the SSH connection to your Raspberry Pi. In the window that appears, enter your username and the corresponding password to log in to the Raspberry Pi. So we've successfully connected to the Raspberry Pi via SSH. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.